started to figure out, how do you get your foot in the door when you're not native just software developer, right? You have to start somewhere. And so how can you get in there? Well, maybe hardware, maybe on the program management side, right? Especially the Scrum Master. It's kind of interesting. I hear your thoughts as well. Is like, it's kind of like that role. It can be a lot of different people, right? Sometimes it's within the team, sometimes the software developer, sometimes the program manager. And so, like, how can you get your foot in the door here and then get into that field, and then you can kind of jump in, right, a little bit more and learn. So that's kind of where I got interested, is like, this might be the way to kind of that stepping stone to get in there. And that's kind of where I'm like, well, how does this work? Like, how do people effectively do that? And just studying on my own, watching YouTube videos. Wish you were out back then. It would have helped me out. And things like that. But really, kind of just self-learning on the line, whatever I could find.
Awesome. Why Agile though? Like,